take 3/4 cup of black gram, soak it for 5 to 6 hours, then make fine paste of it. I have already made paste of it. Now I am going to show you how to make yellow jowar vadas. This is yellow jowar flour. I am going to add 5 spoons of it. You can add 5 to 6 spoons. If you get bored of jowar roti, you can make this recipe. It will not take much of oil also. Very easy to make and very tasty. And mix it now. After adding the flour, jowar flour, mix it. Now we add chopped onions, chopped green chilies, curry leaves, cumin seeds and sesame seeds. Now mix it well. Finally we add salt to taste. Mix it. We can keep this in the refrigerator. Whenever we want, we can make vadas. Now keep a pan on stove. Add oil. Here I am using cold pressed coconut oil. Now add 1 spoon of sesame seeds. Just before making vadas. Mix well. Now we make vadas. Here I have taken betel leaf for making vadas. Wet the leaf with small quantity of water. Now you can use banana leaf or betel leaf or any other leaf. Make little thick vadas like masala vadas. If you want, you can add some more vegetables like carrot, palak, any other vegetables of your choice. Keep a hole to ensure proper frying, even in the middle. Now fry it on both the sides on medium to high flame. Fry to get golden brown color on both sides. Do not increase the flame. Fry on medium to high flame. Now this is already done. See, it will not absorb more of oil. See, you can see no oil around the vada. Even on the tissue paper you don't find oil. It absorbs very less quantity of oil. Yet very tasty. So if you get bored of eating jowar roti, especially for diabetics, obese people, they are advised to take millets and jowar. So jowar roti every time is boring, so they can have these vadas. Enjoy these vadas. Healthy vadas. You can have with cream cheese, sauce or any other chutney. Make healthy, eat healthy and be healthy. Thank you.